If you want to eject SIM tray in order to insert your SIM card into Nothing Phone 4a, then first of all we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray. So the SIM tray is located here in this place. We can also see that we have the SIM tray hole on the SIM tray. You don't want to mistake this hole with this one over here that we have closer to USB-C port, because this is the microphone, so you don't want to damage the microphone by accident. We need to also use the SIM eject tool. Now I have mine over here, but you can also find yours inside of the box. There's one in there as well, so you can use that. And now we just need to use the eject tool and put it into the SIM tray hole, just like that. And once it is in, you want to apply a bit of pressure and push it into the phone so that the SIM tray pops out. So now, once it pops out, you want to use your fingernails or fingers to remove the SIM tray completely from the phone. This is how the SIM tray looks like. So over here, as you can see, we have SIM card slot number 1. And then on the reverse side, we can find SIM card slot number 2. So I'm gonna insert both of my SIM cards in here. We just have to match the shape of the slot. So it looks like this. We just put it in. Push it all the way in, of course, so you don't want the SIM card to stick out of its slot. It should be fully in. You should also hear like a really tiny clicks, like a really small ones. And we're gonna do the same thing for the second SIM. It should go all the way in, and they should be looking like this. So of course they should be both inside their slots fully. They should not stick out or anything at all. So once we have our SIM cards inserted, now we can just put it back into the phone. So you just want to slide it all the way in, just push it all the way in with your finger and make sure that the SIM tray does not stick out. It should not stick out. If it does, then of course you risk of damaging your phone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.